Hey YouTube, this is Jeremy. I am filming this video for Dakota Schrader and her friends and all the rest of the Santa Fe High School students that go to Santa Fe High School. My name is Jeremy. You can find me on YouTube. And today I am at my brother's house. I live next door to him. And I got here a 4-ton Amana central air conditioner. It's running in cool mode. The refrigerant is R410A. That's what this air conditioner takes. Show you the back of the unit. There's the energy guide right here. It takes R410A refrigerant. Okay, y'all can pause the video to read the specs. Okay. My brother got these two air conditioners put in when he built this house back in 2011, and that's a 5-ton Amana. It's the same air conditioner from the same year. It might be 2012. I have a video uploading to YouTube right now. I filmed my air conditioner. It's a 2013 Heil central air conditioner. It's a 3-ton unit. It turned on as soon as I started recording the video. This unit is quiet, but this top cover here is rattling. It's not making any noise now. Once I take my hand off, it just starts rattling again. Isn't that weird? That's one thing I don't like about Amana air conditioning units. Yeah, that's one thing I don't like about them units. That's exactly why. So, I prefer an ICP unit over Amana and Train. And for you, Israel HVAC, never sell Amana air conditioning systems to your customers. This is why. You cannot hear the top rattle, and now you can. Never buy a Amana air conditioner. I hope you enjoyed watching my video, and this is my second HVAC air conditioning video. I will upload it to YouTube. As soon as I can. And if you just found my channel, go ahead and click the red subscribe button down below and turn on notifications. And please, feel free to share this video and all my videos that I got up on my channel with your friends, family members, and teachers. And thank you. I love you, and so does God. Thanks. And God bless you. And God bless the USA.